Bojo, get up.
Ellie, look at my dad.
Get up, Bojo. Get up.
In front of me, I threat the woman say you go kill him. You say in front of me, you threat the woman say you go kill him. And that you say.
Get up, man.
That you say.
You check nobody say me I kill him.
In front of me. In front of me, you say.
Give me my phone. You check nobody say me I kill him, sir.
Me say me send a little boy out there and dirty slippers enough and me know say till this we don't carry away.
Ellie, me
He buy clothes put on and see when God with him in a shot, in a slippers same way.
I'll show you something I have all day. I'll show you that.
Officer, let me go.
Not letting you go. Not letting you go. Now you too friggin' bad for my purpose.
Then if we don't want him, so how him a go over road job, so? You know what him and carry him over there?
Officer, let me walk over the road, myself. Miss, move. Move. Beg me a blood clot, you hear? I'm going to show you that. You're not beg me, I beg you. Officer, let me go, myself. I'm going to show you, you're not beg me, I beg you. You hear? Murder! 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 Will you let me go? Murder! Will you let me go? Murder! 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 Let me go! Murder! Murder! Let me go! Officer, let me go! Murder! Yo, the leg off of me! When you kiss the bomb, go clap me. The leg off of me.
Now, people, no matter where anybody wants to say it hard, you know, especially if you know so you're right and you're going to be arrested for something you know so you're right. Right? It's hard. But at the same time, some people do wrong and still feel like they're right. So, you see how the world is. But trust me, it's rough, you know. Just let me know what you think still about this video clip itself, you see me? And just stay safe. Anyways, if you need to know what I go on, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.